When you find yourself doing the same things over and over, like running an analysis on a schematic and then executing some equations to calculate some data, then populating a graph with that data and making it visible, then it makes sense to try to automate all of this. And one way to automate this is to write a script. There's an example in the lower right-hand window here of a script written in VBScript. JScript is also supported. The way that you get a script is to go to the Add Item button and ask for a script. Then you'll get something that looks like script 1 here on the workspace tree, and that's what we're looking at here. You always begin a script by getting the ID of the workspace because you need it for everything else. So line 6 obtains the ID of the current workspace, WS. The next interesting line is line 19. Line 19 tells the analysis to run. The analysis is called sim, and it was obtained on line 8. It's system2, which is also on our workspace tree over here. So on line 19, system2 is going to run. On line 20, an equation page called extract PN for plotting will calculate itself, will run itself. Extract PN for plotting is here on the workspace tree as well. How did I know that analyses have a method called run analysis and equation pages have a method called calculate? I read the System View help and found a page called script verbs, which was very helpful. Here we list all of the System View objects and what methods they have that you can execute. So all analyses have a method called run analysis. And further down the page, all equations have a method called calculate. And this is how I learned how to kick off a simulation and how to execute an equation page. On line 23, I point to a particular graph called SSB phase noise. That's over here on the workspace tree. And we open it up. That's the essence of the script. To run it, right-click inside and choose Run, or go over here to the workspace tree, point to it, right-click, and run. It will run the analysis, populate the graph, and open up the graph. Let's do that again, and just to prove that everything is happening, I erased the data, and I'm closing the graph. So now let's right-click inside, say Run, and everything happens. This is great. The only improvement I can think of is to put a button right on the schematic that runs the script. It makes it very clear to the user that this will do something related to the schematic. So if I click on this green button that says Run Script, it does the script, just as if I had right-clicked on it. So what's inside this button? I'll right-click and go to Properties. And this is what's inside. There are just two lines. The first line is the same line that I just said we should start all scripts with. We obtain WS, the ID of the workspace. And the second line tells script 1 to run itself. Again, I learned of this method from that script verbs help page. So start thinking about what else you can put here. You can run other equations and other analyses and other graph windows and whatever else. This now becomes a script of scripts. So this is getting pretty versatile and powerful. That's how you write a script to automate System View, and Genesis. Have fun with scripts.